Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Marcus and Marak Menteri Berdepat ya ketenat PHE. Haba yadai bat ka JJM uloong ba ka sorkar pedeng shen kan seperlat no ya kapisa hau benai kala lingkod arhajar arpunriu. Haba keranci kala patai kubur uloong ba ka sorkar pedeng kampat pelat ya kapisa. Hynrei kala khot jinya lang ha ka khat santri uno opera arhajar apusan hanong ba Delhi ha pedeng baru oki chief engineer jong ka Jylla ba pher-pher. Uloong badon ki Jylla ki ba dang shem jing e ban Pyntrei ye ka Skhim JJM Hynrei la Pynbeit ye ki jing e jing ki baro berhak ka Jylla Meghalaya la ban Pyntrei kumba prapulai persen na ka shispa persen Hynrei ki dang don katu kat ni ki jing Pynbeit.
JJM, Government of India is not releasing the fund, but however, Government of India has called for a meeting day before yesterday. All the chief engineers of all the states were called to Delhi and they had a meeting. And I was briefed by chief engineer today that Government of India will be releasing very soon, but it will be in the month of January because some of the states were having lots of difficulties with the JJM projects and they are told to rectify the problems or issues that they were having.
Sir, because they have been asked to rectify, is it owing to, because in many of the states, not in Meghalaya but in other states also, there have been a lot of negligence in the way the work was implemented. So is it because of this, is it happening the same in Meghalaya that this, the work is not up to the mark?
No, work is up to the mark. Everything is online here in Meghalaya. We have completed around 83 plus percentage in Meghalaya. There are some discrepancies which we are rectifying, but I was talking about other states. Other states are having lots of issues and problems, because of which Government of India said that you address to those issues and problems and concerns, and after that we will release the fund. So the chief engineers meeting. Chief engineers of all the states were called to Delhi and they had a meeting and were informed that once it is done, almost every state is complying to the direction of the central government, and then once that is completed, they'll be releasing the fund. That will happen most probably by January 2026.
How much is the amount that we're expecting to be released by Jan?
See, whatever completed bills online, I mean MIS, those are already completed, third-party inspections and ready for payment. Those are 700 plus in our state. Other states are huge.
700 crore, right?
700 plus crores in the state of Meghalaya.
So you've also mentioned there's some discrepancies, slight discrepancies in our state. What are those, sir?
Not much here. Some of the discrepancies, some officers were need to take actions against some of the contractors. Those were pending, so we have already directed the concerned officers, or else they'll be taken to task.
These contractors are from which part of the state, sir?
Some parts of the state, not much, only few, 1-2 projects, I think.
So any department can blacklist to the contractor, or
what type of action?
No. They will be doing the rectification. They have already assured the rectification part, and once that is done, we will report it back to the Government of India, because they are the one who said you have to take some kind of measures for that.
And by when this action is expected?
It's already underway. This moment also, the moment where we are speaking, I'm speaking, action is being taken.